Tesla, the renowned electric vehicle manufacturer, is not just revolutionizing the automobile industry. The company is deeply invested in creating a sustainable future for our planet. This mission extends beyond electric cars to encompass renewable energy solutions for homes and businesses. One of Tesla's latest innovations in sustainable living is the Tesla Tiny House, a compact, energy-efficient dwelling designed to minimize our environmental footprint. Tesla's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of its operations, from its electric vehicles to its solar energy products. The company's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and its tiny house project is a testament to this commitment. By offering a smaller, more energy-efficient housing option, Tesla aims to provide individuals and families with a way to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing comfort or style. The Tesla Tiny House reimagines the concept of home, offering a smaller, more sustainable alternative to traditional houses. These compact dwellings typically range from 200 to 400 square feet and are designed to maximize space and efficiency. Constructed with sustainable materials such as reclaimed wood and energy-efficient insulation, Tesla tiny houses are built to minimize their environmental impact. The design of the Tesla Tiny House prioritizes functionality and minimalism without compromising aesthetics. The interior is characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and ample natural light. Smart storage solutions are integrated throughout the house to optimize every inch of space. The use of light colors and large windows creates an airy and inviting atmosphere, making the most of the compact living area. At the heart of the Tesla Tiny House is its impressive energy system. Each house is equipped with Tesla's high-efficiency solar panels, which are seamlessly integrated into the roof. These panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, powering the home's appliances and electronics. Excess energy generated during the day is stored in Tesla's Powerwall battery system. The Powerwall battery ensures a continuous supply of electricity, even during the night or on cloudy days. This reliance on solar energy significantly reduces or even eliminates the need for traditional grid electricity, making the Tesla Tiny House a model of off-grid living. The energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting further contribute to the home's minimal energy consumption. Tesla's venture into tiny homes aligns perfectly with its overarching mission of promoting sustainable living and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. The company recognizes that the traditional housing market contributes significantly to environmental problems. The construction industry is a major consumer of resources and a significant emitter of greenhouse gases. Tesla aims to challenge the status quo by offering an alternative that is both stylish and sustainable. By promoting tiny homes, Tesla encourages individuals to reconsider their housing choices and embrace a more minimalist and eco-conscious lifestyle. The company's goal is to demonstrate that we can live comfortably and sustainably without compromising our modern conveniences. Section 5. Tiny Living, Big Rewards, Advantages of Tesla's Tiny House. Choosing to live in a Tesla Tiny House offers numerous advantages, particularly for those seeking a more sustainable and minimalist lifestyle. The most significant benefit is the reduced environmental impact. By relying on solar energy and minimizing energy consumption, residents can significantly shrink their carbon footprint. The smaller size of the house also translates to lower costs. Reduced construction materials, lower energy bills, and less space to furnish and maintain contribute to significant financial savings. This financial freedom can allow individuals to pursue their passions, travel more, or simply enjoy greater financial security. Section 6. The other side of tiny challenges of minimalist living. While the Tesla Tiny House presents a compelling vision of sustainable living, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges associated with downsizing and embracing a minimalist lifestyle. Adapting to a smaller living space requires careful planning and a willingness to declutter and live with less. Limited space can also pose challenges for families or individuals who require ample storage or workspace. Additionally, zoning regulations and building codes for tiny homes vary widely across the United States, which can make finding suitable land or obtaining permits a complex process. Section 7. Finding the fit. Who is the Tesla Tiny House ideal for? The Tesla Tiny House is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it holds immense appeal for a specific demographic. Individuals or couples embracing a minimalist lifestyle, prioritizing sustainability, and seeking financial flexibility would find the Tesla tiny house particularly appealing. The ability to live off-grid and minimize their environmental impact is a significant draw for environmentally conscious individuals. The lower cost of living and potential for financial freedom are attractive to those seeking alternatives to traditional mortgages or high rents. Section 8. Tiny homes, big impact. A mainstream housing solution? Whether tiny homes, even those as innovative as the Tesla tiny house, will become a mainstream housing solution in the United States remains to be seen. The concept is gaining momentum, driven by growing environmental awareness and a desire for more affordable housing options. However, several factors will influence their widespread adoption. Zoning regulations need to become more accommodating to tiny homes, and financing options need to become more readily available. Moreover, a cultural shift towards embracing smaller living spaces and minimalist lifestyles is necessary for tiny homes to become a truly mainstream housing option. Section 9. Shaping Tomorrow, Tesla's tiny house and the future. The Tesla tiny house, while still a relatively new concept, represents a significant step towards a more sustainable and innovative future for housing. It challenges traditional notions of homeownership and offers a compelling alternative that aligns with growing environmental concerns and a desire for greater financial freedom. While it remains to be seen whether tiny homes will become the norm, Tesla's foray into this market is undoubtedly influencing the conversation around sustainable living and shaping the future of housing. The company's commitment to innovation and its ability to capture the public's imagination suggests that the Tesla tiny house is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in the evolution of our homes and our relationship with the environment.